I'm calling from Forest Park. There's nothing but the ghetto out here. Shoot. Forest Park, the new ghetto. I don't know what you talking about.
Man, Forest Park, the burbs, man. That's uptown, bro.
Man, come up here and see how these brothers act up here. I'm telling you, they'll all be looking in your car like they want to knock you the hell out.
What part of Forest Park you from, man?
I'm in the J.
What's that, the J section?
It goes down over here. Yep, way crossing in Northland. These brothers up here crazy. Need a gun immediately.
Man, Forest Park, uptown, bro.
There's a lot of downtown brothers up here, I can't tell.
For real?
For real. They moving all the brothers out to the suburbs and they taking the city back to rich. So Forest Park is not the suburbs no more, it's the ghetto. Believe that.
So what y'all do? What make it so ghetto? What y'all do that's so hood, so grimy, so gutty? It's bad.
Shit, these niggas out here just punching people in the face for no damn reason. I had to cut me and look at last year.
You had to what now?
I said I had to cut me and look at last year.
What, you cut him?
Hell yeah, the motherfuckers was jumping me.
Would you cut him with a blade, bro?
Yeah. Stuck the hell out his ass.
Bro, took it back to that. You took it back to that 80s, bro.
Shit, he lucky I ain't have a gun. I would have his ass.
Ooh, nah, yeah, you don't want to do that. They have you in JC, boy.
Shit, I don't care, man. Ain't nobody run me in my house. I don't care how many of them it is.
What they tried to jump you for though?
Hey, they jumped me for no reason. These niggas out here crazy, and they was screaming down the way the whole time.
Oh man, so it's really not uptown. It's down the way. That's in uptown.
Man, they done gave all the niggas in the city vouchers and sent them out here, and all the rich people is moving back into the city. They're pushing us out into the sea. So Forest Park is the suburbs no more. No, pass the word. Forest Park is over the Rhine now. It's the new Rhine.
Wow. Hey, bro. Hey, man, what's your name, bro?
I'm Big Chris.
You born and raised in Forest Park, Big Chris?
Hell no, I ain't born and raised out here. I was moving out here with hopes that it was gonna be peaceful and ish. I gotta stab me a nigga. It's big old gangs out here. I see nothing but Roseline, Lincoln Heights, and downtown niggas over here. I'm like, damn, what the hell have I gotten myself into? I tried to get back into the city. They talking about, nope, we ain't taking no niggas back in the city. You gotta stay your ass out in the burbs, or they used to be burbs. There's nothing but Mexicans and niggas up here. This is the ghetto.
All right, my G.